So almost we reached our destination. It is said to be the monument. I believe so. And the last point of the Shikari trail here in Gilgit. There we go. It's a nice track. It's said to be that it was not that good at that time, but it is now good. It's renovated again, and there we go. Have a look. Yeah, 3 to 4 steps. It was not built at that time when I was doing job at Serena from 2015 to 2019. So it's good now. It's good. Addition in the tourism industry, you can say. There is no such places here in Gilgit to visit for the tourist. Now this track is a good addition to the success story of Gilgit people. Yeah, that's great. That's nice. So now, whoever wanna come, this is my suggestion to visit this place. It's such a nice place. It's good for your health. The track is good for your health and for everything. You can say you can explore the new place. See that? So we have a team. With me is Amir, Salim, and Shazad. And they all are doing their own blogs and collecting some content for their YouTube channels. So they all are searching for the subscribers. So you have a request. This is the request from our side to subscribe to our channel. So Hunza Boy is my channel name, YouTube channel name. Subscribe that. This video is for you guys. Yeah, have a look at the smog view of Gilgit. It is said to be a polluted city for some instance. You can see. Yeah. Okay. So here we are on the top of the trail. There it is. There we go. Yeah.